컷. Guys, what's up? This is Tryman right here, yo. So as last video, I just interviewed a number of some foreigners regarding asking them what is their best and worst Korean food. And according to them, they choose 떡볶이. So what I got is this one. So I'm just gonna try the most spicy 떡볶이 in Korea, which is yeopdeok. So let's get it. Okay guys, so it's time to unpack. So first one is fried food. There you go. And the second one is 주먹밥, which is a rice mixed up with liver. Kolpis, this is a drink that if your tongue could not handle its spiciness, it will cool you down, cool your tongue down. So radish, pickled radish, which is kind of common in Korea though. And finally we've got, look at this huge enormous size of 떡볶이. Time to eat. 원래 밥을 먹을 때 밥에만 집중하는 사람이에요. So you see, okay. Say goodbye. Like this. Oh. You see this, huh? There you go. 이제 끝난 거 아니야? 너도 먹자 이제. 더 나올 게 있나? No spicy. Not at all. Not at all.
10 seconds later.
컵.
Cause you